interested in knowing what, makes up this company, how it is organized. Is Chris a part of this? Is there a hierarchy or something?
Yeah, he is a part of it. He came as a senior choreographer and I came as a junior. But now I'm a senior choreographer and I got this big major I mean big major choreography. That is what went wrong, and just because me I try to defend myself, everything else go wrong.
I think the issue here is that you're so defensive. And I think that's what we need to tackle. We need to figure out, you need to figure out why you're so defensive, why you feel the need to defend yourself. Do you feel like there is something that you're lacking? And perhaps others are seeing this lack, this thing that you feel that you are lacking within yourself.
I don't think it's lacking. I think it's me want to prove myself. Prove I can do it.
So, what is the punishment for this lack of judgment? Are you suspended? What is it?
Call it demoted. So I'm back to being a junior choreographer.
Take this as a lesson. Take this as a lesson in humility, a lesson in accountability. Honestly, I really think there's a communication issue here because I've experienced it.
Experience with lack of communication? With who?
With you and even Chris. I mean, the other day when I was here, I asked if I could accompany you to your late dance rehearsal thing, and the look on your faces.
Oh, that. What happened is the people in car were late and we'd have to in a hurry. So.
And there you go again. I don't get it. Did you guys not know that you had this scheduled prior to me coming here? And if it was a late call, why not just say no? Why accept it? You know it is okay to say no, right?
Yeah, it's just that we don't want to disappoint the client.
Toniann, you have to teach your clients some professionalism. They have to call beforehand to ensure that you're available. I mean, you guys were saying one thing and your body and facial expressions was doing something completely different. It was cognitive dissonance.
I understand. It's just one of them days that we don't want to disappoint the client. And on behalf of Chris, I apologize.
Well, apology not totally accepted.
Huh?
Well, Chris will have to apologize himself.
Okay. Alright, no problem.
I meant to ask you this. I know Chris is not your biological brother, but how did you guys get connected?
Oh, that. Through the same dance program.
Am I ever going to meet the person who heads this program?
Yes, absolutely. As I say, we had to do the pre-planning now, for bring back the program. So you're going to meet that person one day.
I have a question, if you don't mind me asking. What brought about this brother and sister connection?
What do you mean? I don't understand.
Well, I mean, you're an attractive girl and he's an attractive guy. Why wasn't it more relationship based?
Oh, Well, when I meet Chris, I did already in a relationship. Well, abusive relationship. And he's that guy where we can talk to about anything and he give me good advice and him never judgmental.